Hi all. So I know we all have really busy schedules, and when a friend invites you to their house for a Norwex party, sometimes you can't always make it. But Norwex is one of those products you really have to see to believe. You look at the catalog, you go on their website, and you don't understand what's so special about these microfiber cloths. So in order to be a microfiber cloth, you have to be 1/6 the size of a human hair for the thread that weaves the cloth. Norwex cloths, their thread is 1/200th the size of a human hair, which makes this super absorbent. It will pick up more than any other microfiber cloth you have. It is also woven with a antibacterial silver thread. So the properties in silver naturally kill the germs that make your cloths stinky, and it will disinfect your surface. These cloths will pick up 99% of germs on your surface. You don't believe me? I'm going to show you. So we have a piece of raw chicken here, and I'm going to rub it all over this wooden cutting board. There's even pieces of the chicken falling off onto the cutting board. But when you cut up chicken, that's what happens. So this microfiber cloth has nothing but water on it. I ran it under the water, wrung it out to get the excess so it's damp. Taking this damp cloth, I'm going to wipe it off. But first I'm going to show you that this is covered in germs. I have the same exact swabs that a health inspector uses at a restaurant to test for sanitation when they come in. So I'm going to rub it all over the chicken that I just put on there, slide it in the tube, crack the solution, and let that brew. Now, taking my damp cloth, I'm going to wipe this cutting board off. I'll turn it over to the other side and give it another good wipe down. And then I'm going to take a new swab and I'm going to swab the cutting board all over. Make sure I got it good on that cotton swab. Break the solution in here and give it a shake. Now, if the swab finds germs and protein, it will turn a shade of purple or gray. It will look dirty. If it is green, that means it's clean. The surface did not have germs on it. So I got a white piece of paper here so you can see it a little bit better. Here is the first swab that I rubbed, which there isn't a lot of liquid in there for some reason. Let's see. There we go. I'm going to have to do that over. Oh, there we go. Well, it takes a minute, but you can see that it is a darker purplish gray color. And this one is green. Can you see the difference between the two? Now, if you don't believe that the cloth itself can clean, I will open it up, use a third swab, and rub it all over my cloth. This is the cloth I have not rinsed since I picked it up or anything. Make sure all my liquid gets in there this time, and give it a shake. Once again, it's green. So we've got two green and a purple. Nice and clean. Now all I have to do is rinse this off and wring it out again. But while I'm prepping my food, I don't have to rinse it every time because you just saw the towel is breaking down that bacteria. So I can wipe my hands with it instead of using paper towels. I don't have to stop to wash my hands every few seconds. And the best part is, there's no chemical residue on my countertops or on my hands. Now, chicken's an extreme example, but I pulled out my Clorox wipes that I used to be addicted to, and just reading the first couple lines of directions for use, the very first thing it says in bright, bold colors is not for cleaning or sanitizing your skin. Do not use as a diaper wipe or personal cleansing to disinfect. You can use these cloths to wipe your hands while you're prepping. You can use them to wipe your child's face off. There is nothing that's going to hurt it. And no matter what surface you clean with it, if you have pets or small children that are putting their mouths on everything, you don't have to worry about them ingesting chemicals afterwards. So this product I cannot live without. It also comes paired with a window cloth, which is a much finer, almost satiny weave, and this is for polishing. You literally use it to clean your windows with, again, nothing but water. You can polish your stainless steel appliances, your glass stove tops, the mirror in your bathroom that seems to have spittle on it every time you walk in there. All you need is a little water and a towel to wipe it off, and there's no streaks. So I highly recommend anybody who's new to Norwex purchase the basic package. For just $34.99, you can get these 2 towels, and I'm telling you, once you start using these, you're going to want everything in the catalog. Thanks, guys.